You open Instagram. A friend with the exact same salary as you is driving a brand new Tesla and posting pictures from Bali. And you sit there thinking, what am I doing wrong? How are they affording this? Well, you're not doing anything wrong. The truth is, they aren't rich. They are drowning in massive credit card debt. It's a psychological trap called the halo effect. And today, I'll expose how this exact trick is silently bankrupting America and how it's secretly stealing your money too. Point 1. Halo effect. To understand why Americans are going broke, we first need to understand a psychological glitch in our brains. In 1920, a psychologist named Edward Thorndike discovered something called the halo effect. The halo effect is our brain's tendency to assume that because a person has one positive trait, they must have other positive traits. For example, if someone is physically attractive, our subconscious automatically assumes they are also smart, kind, and successful. Now, fast forward to today. Social media has weaponized the halo effect. On Instagram, the halo isn't just physical beauty. It's a luxury brand. When you see someone wearing a $500 Gucci belt or holding the steering wheel of a Porsche, your brain's halo effect kicks in. You instantly assume, wow, they must be financially successful. They must have their life figured out. But here is the dark reality. Social media only shows you the aesthetic of wealth, not the math behind it. Point 2. The American illusion. Let's look at the facts. Right now, Americans hold over $1.13 trillion in credit card debt. Auto loan debt is at an all-time high. Let's look at a real-life example. Let's call him Mike. Mike makes $75,000 a year, a decent American salary. But Mike sees his friends on Instagram going to fancy dinners and driving nice cars. The halo effect makes him feel like he is falling behind. So, Mike goes to a dealership and finances a $60,000 truck. His monthly car payment is now $1,000. Then, Mike wants designer clothes to match his new lifestyle. He doesn't have the cash, but apps like Klarna or Affirm offer him, buy now, pay later. He books a vacation on his Chase Sapphire credit card, promising himself he'll pay it off next month. On Instagram, Mike looks like a millionaire. He's got the truck, the clothes, the vacations. But in reality, Mike is living paycheck to paycheck. He is one medical emergency or one missed paycheck away from total bankruptcy. He is what we call fake rich or Henry. High earner, not rich yet. We used to have a saying in America, keeping up with the Joneses. But back then, you only had to compete with your neighbors. Today, because of Instagram, you are competing with millions of influencers, celebrities, and fake rich people around the world. Your brain cannot handle this level of financial pressure. Point 3. The danger of visible wealth versus true wealth. The biggest lie Instagram teaches us is that wealth is something you can see. But as the author Morgan Housel brilliantly said in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. Think about it. When someone buys a $100,000 car, they are exactly $100,000 poorer than they were before. The true wealth, the money in their bank account, is gone. Real wealth is invisible. You can't take a selfie with a maxed out Roth IRA. You can't post an aesthetic TikTok of your S&P 500 index fund quietly compounding at 8% a year. Paying off your mortgage early doesn't go viral. Because true wealth is boring, it doesn't get likes. And because it doesn't get likes, people assume it doesn't exist. So, an entire generation of Americans is trading their financial freedom for a few seconds of digital validation. They're buying things they don't need, with money they don't have, to impress people they don't even like. Point 4. How to break free and win. So, how do you break free from this psychological trap and actually build real wealth in America? Here are 3 educated steps you can take starting today. Number 1. To influence your feed, your brain's dopamine system is easily manipulated. If you follow accounts that constantly show off luxury lifestyles, your subconscious will start craving it. Unfollow the fake rich. Instead, follow creators who talk about financial literacy, mental peace, and real growth. Number 2. Use the 48-hour rule. The next time you see something online and feel the sudden urge to buy it, stop. Wait 48 hours. The halo effect thrives on impulse. If you wait 2 days, the emotional high will fade, and your logical brain will step in. You'll realize you didn't actually want the item, you just wanted the feeling it promised. Number 3. Focus on net worth, not net wardrobe. Stop judging your success by what you wear or drive. Measure your success by your emergency fund, your investments, and your peace of mind. Remember, the ultimate flex in 2026 isn't a Gucci bag or a leased Tesla. The ultimate flex is going to sleep at night knowing you have zero bad debt and complete control over your time. Instagram might be bankrupting America, but it doesn't have to bankrupt you. Once you see the halo effect for what it really is, a psychological illusion, it loses all its power over you. You are no longer a victim of the algorithm, you are in control. I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt pressured to buy something just because you saw it on social media? Let me know your story in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video opened your eyes and helped you understand the psychology of money better, please hit that like button and share this with a friend who might be falling into the fake rich trap. And if you want to keep upgrading your mind, mastering your money, and staying ahead of the system, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Until next time, stay smart, stay wealthy, and don't let the internet trick you.